Okay, so we're gonna go up closer to the siren now. There's that. So here it has an American Signal Corporation panel right there. It says mechanical siren only on that sticker. Here's the box for the batteries. There's that. It's rusted. We've also got a no parking sign right here, and these poles are gigantic. So got a bunch of staples and whatnot on here from people hanging stuff up. There's the siren. On my way back around, I got this really good shot of the siren, so I'll show you guys. There's the traffic lights. And there's the siren. Okay, so right up here is the bell. That's what was ringing during the test. It's rocking back and forth. Okay, well that concludes today's test. And I guess the bell too. I can't get that in the shot, but thank you so much for watching. Happy 4th of July and 250th birthday of the United States of America. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.